103 species in genus Hedychium. The enchanting world of Hedychium, a personal journey. My name is Vu, and I've always been drawn to the beauty and diversity of the natural world. Among my many botanical fascinations, the genus Hedychium holds a special place in my heart. These captivating plants, commonly known as ginger lilies or garland flowers, belong to the Zingiberaceae family, which also includes culinary ginger. Native to the lightly wooded habitats of Asia, particularly India, Southeast Asia, and Madagascar, Hedychium species have captivated plant enthusiasts like myself for centuries with their exquisite blooms and intoxicating fragrance. A symphony of scents and colors. What truly sets Hedychium apart is the sheer variety it offers. The genus boasts approximately 70 to 80 recognized species, each with its own unique characteristics. Some species, like Hedychium coronarium, the white garland flower, exude a sweet, almost ethereal fragrance, while others, such as Hedychium coccinea, possess vibrant scarlet hues that ignite the senses. Imagine strolling through a lush garden, the air heavy with the intoxicating aroma of Hedychium. Their elegant flowers, often resembling butterflies in flight, emerge from cone-like inflorescences, creating a spectacle of colors ranging from pristine white and delicate yellow to fiery orange and deep crimson. The lush, lance-shaped leaves provide a verdant backdrop to this floral symphony, completing a picture of tropical elegance. Exploring the diversity of Hedychium. The diversity within the genus Hedychium is truly remarkable. Here are Hedychium coronarium, the national flower of Cuba, renowned for its pure white blossoms and intoxicating fragrance. Hedychium coccinea, a showstopper with vibrant scarlet flowers, adding a touch of drama to any garden. Hedychium gardnerianum, native to the Himalayas, featuring fragrant yellow flowers with prominent red stamens. Hedychium densiflorum, known for its dense clusters of orange or yellow flowers, creating a vibrant display. Hedychium ellipticum, distinguished by its elliptical leaves and delicate white flowers. Hedychium flavescens. As the name suggests, this species boasts pale yellow flowers with a sweet fragrance. Hedychium greenii, a striking species with crimson flowers and contrasting green leaves. See full list at monsterholic.com. Beyond beauty, the value of Hedychium. Hedychium species are not merely ornamental. They have also been utilized for various purposes throughout history. In some cultures, the rhizomes are used in traditional medicine, while the fragrant flowers are often incorporated into perfumes and cosmetics. Furthermore, certain species play a role in religious ceremonies and cultural traditions. Cultivating and caring for Hedychium. For those eager to experience the allure of Hedychium firsthand, cultivating these plants can be a rewarding endeavor. They thrive in warm, humid environments with partial shade and well-drained soil. Regular watering and occasional fertilization will help ensure healthy growth and abundant blooms. With proper care, these tropical gems can transform any garden into a fragrant paradise. A continuing fascination. My journey with Hedychium is an ongoing exploration. I am continually captivated by their beauty, diversity, and cultural significance. Whether I'm admiring their vibrant colors, inhaling their intoxicating scents, or delving into their botanical intricacies, Hedychium species never cease to amaze me. I encourage fellow plant enthusiasts to discover the magic of these captivating ginger lilies and appreciate the unique charm they bring to the world of botany.